The world looks very different to us as we grow and move around it for various needs and purposes. Similarly, the world looks quite different when it comes to a bird. Have you ever wondered about this? Well, its house seems to change so often that it gets puzzled every time it moves from one place to another. So, in this poem, a little bird shares what its world has looked like since it was born. That is, right from the time it was inside an egg till it grew to become a full fledged bird. But wait a second. The bird also poses an important question to each one of us to ponder upon at the end. So let's get started. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Let us now have a quick look at the entire poem. The poem consists of 4 stanzas. These are: